Okay, ayan, meron siyang bagong dating na parcel. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What is that? Ah, they put it here, my order. My order. Oh, nilagay doon sa kanyang order. Order ko ito, guys. So, ayun. Asaan na? Ayun. Binubuksan niya na. Wala. Ano kaya yan? See? Ano yan? Alright. Small yung very handy. Ayan, pwede ko rin gamitin. Ayan, very handy talaga. Very handy kasi nagpuputol kami ng mga Ayan, pamputol ng mga yan. Trees. Maliliit na trees. Mga branches. Ayan, oh. Charger. Is that a charger?
Yeah.
Is that a charger?
Yeah.
Maliit lang na to.
That's the batteries.
Battery pala yun.
That's the charger.
Ayun ang charger. Ayun. Galing, magaling. Ganda. Nakita nyo guys. Oh, cute. Maliit na siya.
That's
Ayan.
the charger.
Streamer, you call it?
Chainsaw.
Chainsaw.
Mini chainsaw.
Ayan, mini chainsaw. Kasi meron na siyang malaki ngayon. Bumili naman siyang mini.
That's a spare chain.
Ayun na spare chain. Okay. You're happy? Are you happy?
Yes, it will.
Happy na daw siya.
Life a lot
Happy life easier sa kanyang bagong chainsaw. Ayan. Kita nyo guys. So, pagigising ko lang. Ayan. Nag-open ng siya. Pinag-open ko siya ng kanyang parcel.
Yes.
Well done. Well done. Very nice. Very nice. Ayun, no? Maliit na chainsaw. Be careful with that when you use it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I can use that as well. But you be careful.
I feel it. It's not heavy.
I know. Amazing. Ay, oo nga. Hindi heavy.
Could do anything. Wood.
Very good. How much is it?
39 quid.
39 quid. Ayan, 39 quid is a 39 pound. That's the meaning of that. Okay. Ayan ang kanyang new mini chainsaw. Ayan, chainsaw niya. Ayan, mini. Yung malaki niya, yung pampuno yun. Ito, pang mga branches. Ayan. Maligaya na yan dahil meron na yan ganyan. Ayan. At yung sa akin, na order, nilagay doon. Hindi sineparate. Ayan. Ito naman akin sa sa mukha yan. Ayan. Panghilamos. Ayun, binabalik niya. Hindi niya maibalik. Ayan guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yan lang ang aking Ayan. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Ayan siya, oh. Bye.